Hi friends, I'm back with another interesting topic, and that is what is the science of beauty. I'm sure all of you want to know what exactly is the science of beauty. So regardless of the nationality, age or ethnic background, people generally share a common idea of what is attractive. The ancient Greeks believed that all beauty is mathematics. The face is perceived to be beautiful if it is in accordance to the ratio of thirds or fifths. Now, what is this ratio of thirds? That is, if you divide the face into thirds by drawing horizontal lines from the top and bottom of the nose, each third should be equal in proportion. So many Indian faces, we find that the lower third is shorter compared to the middle and the upper third, and if you elongate the lower third, it creates beauty. And what is the rule of fifths? That is, if you divide the face vertically into fifths by drawing vertical lines from the inner and the outer corners of the eye, the nose is contained in the central segment and the eyebrows are contained in the eye segments, and each fifth should be in equal proportion. So any face which follows these proportions is considered to be beautiful, and if it does not, these proportions can be created by non-surgical methods like dermal fillers or by minimally invasive surgical methods. And that is the science of beauty. The great artist Leonardo da Vinci described beauty as a combination of science and mathematics. The golden ratio or the divine proportion is 1.618:1. That is the golden ratio that is followed in most of the work of art. If you see great artists like Leonardo da Vinci or Michelangelo, you will find this divine ratio in their work of art. The number 1.618 is called phi, and the more phi proportions a face has, the more attractive it is considered to be. If you see the great historical monument of Taj Mahal, the phi proportion is seen, and hence it is so attractive. Also, phi calipers are used for microblading of the eyebrows to achieve the golden ratio and create beautiful eyebrows. So attractiveness is described as a symmetrical, balanced and harmonious face, and small variations in the facial features can create significant differences in the perceived attractiveness. Thank you very much for your patient hearing, and I'll be back next week with another small concept in this field of beauty. Have a good day. Bye-bye.